Good morning everybody. So today is a little ride. I've started from basically the canal at the beginning of Chasewater. So you've seen the ride from home to Chasewater enough times. We're going to go follow the canal round through Brown Hills and get on McLean's Way at Brown Hills. Ride that all the way down into Walsall, have a look how that's going now with the new planting and the new surfaces, and obviously the weather being a bit better, so there shouldn't be any mud. Canal paths are looking nice now. We are expecting some rain next week, which is why I thought I'd get out today. Today is Saturday, just in case anyone's wondering. So yeah, we'll go along McLean's Way into Walsall, and then we're going to cut through Walsall and join back up with the Walsall Canal and come back a different route back down into Chasewater again. So it's quite a pleasant day, not overly sunny, might get sunny later. A little bit windy, not too much. We have got the Neo drone with us today as well, so we'll try and do that in some follow me modes on the bike, going along McLean's Way and stuff, and try and get some aerial footage of that. So I hope that works out well. We'll try and do a few other flights with that and integrate it all into the video. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. So today's route should be somewhere between 20-25 miles, which isn't too bad. Just going to take a nice steady sort of 10-12 mile an hour ride. So it should take me 2.5-3 hours with some stops. Maybe a bit more playing with the drone, maybe find something to eat. But I'm in no hurry. Oh, nice echoey little tunnel. But yeah, I'm in no hurry to get home. There's a chance of rain, but not till about 5 or 6 o'clock. So I'll be home well before then. It's currently 11:30. I think I left the house about 11 o'clock, sorry. Little aqueduct here, look. Going over McLean's Way, I think. But we're not getting on at that entrance. Morning. Well, I must say, what a gorgeous day for it. Towpaths are beautiful and smooth. Cheers, mate. Hello, geeseys. Morning. Morning. Oh yeah. Morning, thank you. Morning. Okay guys, I took slightly the wrong turn in there, came off a bit too early. Can still get onto McLean's Way, but I'd have to go on the roads and I don't want to do that. So I just thought while I've stopped here, somebody asked on one of the last videos, how do you turn the throttle on and off and alter the speed on the bike? So if I can get the camera off, I'll show you that. So then, I don't know how well you can see that. I'm hoping well enough. In fact, I'll go down here into a shady bit. Okay, so no, still not really working. It's too reflective. Okay, so I think that maybe works best. So what we're going to do to get into the settings menu is on the actual controller and handlebars, you press and hold the up and down together. That'll take you into this screen. The code to get in is 1. So to change numbers, you just press the up. To change which number, you press that one, and then when you finish, press that one again. So the code for getting in is 1 3 1 3, enter. Now setting 1, I don't really know what setting 1 does, to be honest. I don't know all the settings. Setting 2 is where you change from miles per hour to kilometres per hour or kilometres per hour. Number 3 is the battery voltage. 36, 48, 72 I believe it does. Number 4 is how many power settings you want, so I'm on 5. No, sorry, that's how many power settings you want. Number 5, 0 to 5, so I'm on 5. That's the size of the wheel, so 24 inches. 20-inch wheel, including the tyre, is 24. I don't know what that one does. Good morning.
Good morning.
So this one here is your speed. So we're set at 16 miles an hour. Obviously to change them, you just go down into the bottom and you can change that to whatever you want. So if you want unlimited speed, I mean it won't go much more than 30 anyway. You can go as high as you want. Just put that back down to 16, okay. And you just click back up and you're back into the menu. Number 9, I don't know what that does. And number 10 is where you turn your throttle on and off. So you've got 0, 0, which is throttle off. Sorry, wrong one. Go back down. Got to change that, there we go. 0, 1 and 0, 2 doesn't seem to make any difference. I thought one might have been pedal only, one might have been throttle only, but 0, 0 is pedals, no throttle, and 0, 1 or 0, 2 seems to be pedalling and throttle. I thought one of them might have been throttle and no pedals, but it would appear not. But that's where you change it. I'm going to put it in 2 because I'm off the roads now, so I'm going to put the throttle on just to make it easier on the bridges and stuff. So to set it, you set it on 2, go back to there. I'll show you the others, even though I don't know what they do. Number 11, I don't know what it does. Number 3 is screen, number 12 is screen brightness. That's pass level, so the sensitivity of when you turn the pedals. That's the amp hours that the controller will send to the motor. So it's 25 amp hours on this one, 25 amps on this one. That's the cut-off point where the assist will stop working. So if the battery drops down to 40 volts, it'll stop giving you any power. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. And then we're back to number 1. So just to set all that into the memory, you have to power the bike off, power the bike back on. And now I'll still be at 16 miles an hour, but I'll have a throttle. So I hope that helps. Anybody who's got one of these wants to know what the settings do. I don't know what they all do, and I cannot find online anywhere any paperwork that tells you what any of the settings do. So those are just the ones I've managed to figure out for myself. If you're going to play with the settings, I'd suggest that you write down what everything is on in every menu before you start changing anything, so at least you know where it all was originally from the factory, in case you start changing things and things go wrong, which is what I did. But like I say, some of the settings I've just left standard and I can't really work out what they do. But the most important ones are there. So yeah, anyway, let's carry on. I'm just going to figure out why my music in my ear hole has stopped playing. The answer to that is, I don't know, because it's working again now. Throttle's now working, and we're off. But yeah, I turned left slightly too early there, guys. There should be somewhere down here the turning that I wanted. Morning. I'm going to try riding up there. Okay, so we are up on Medmains Way. I'm going to stop here for a little break on this bumpy bridge.